everyone out there, Bernie Tully, Pennsylvania, wrongful death attorney, personal injury lawyer, who's been practicing for 40 years. We try to concentrate a lot of our practice on wrongful death cases because of the tragedy involved to you and your family member. And today's question is, well, can I discharge my current attorney that I have for a wrongful death if I'm not satisfied with her or him? Once you sign the contract, am I stuck forever with this attorney? This female attorney, this male attorney who never gets back to me, never calls me back on the phone. I leave messages, I never hear from him or her. I met him the first day when they signed the papers, and that's it. I can't get any answers, and I'm frustrated. So the question's answer is yes, you can. Any attorney in Pennsylvania can be discharged at any time from representation on a case, whether it's a wrongful death case, a serious personal injury case, anything at all. However, there's one basic thing that you need to do, and it makes sense, and that is you have to send a formal letter or at least an email over to the attorney to let them know that you're discharging them from their further obligations in the case, and to send you all the paperwork that they've accumulated to date back to you. Now, I caution you, as an attorney who's been doing this for 40 years, the first thing you should do if you're dissatisfied with your current lawyer on your wrongful death case is to pick up the phone and call them and tell the person who answers the phone, look, I've been trying to get in touch with my attorney for a long period of time. I've sent emails, I've sent phone calls. Nothing seems to work. Have him or her give me a call immediately, or I'm going to change lawyers. Usually, not only is that the proper thing to do and the thing that we advise you to do, but usually that's going to trigger a message or a call back to the attorney that's currently representing you. And at that point, you can just open up to that attorney and say, look, I'm not satisfied with the way you're handling the case. I want to see some changes. Hopefully that'll trigger that attorney to be cognizant of what your concerns are and to take them seriously. And then you won't have to change lawyers. That's what we advise you to do. You should do that. If, however, you do that and you still don't get a response, or maybe more importantly on your wrongful death, it's just for one time, and then they go back to the same way they were acting before, and you're just generally dissatisfied with their work. Then you can, if you want to, and we're not advising you to, but I just wanted you to be aware of the option, then you have a right to change lawyers. So it's just a matter of a 2 or 3 line sentence saying, I no longer wish you to represent me. Please return all the paperwork to me. And that will trigger their notice that they, as the wrongful death lawyer, have been discharged. We're not trying to steal anybody's cases. We're just trying to let you know you do have that option if you want, but we strongly advise you to first talk to your current attorney and tell that attorney what your concerns are. What we do on wrongful death cases is we treat the family with compassion and dignity and respect in all our dealings with them. We're not in the game of trying to tell you, well, you got to do this, you got to do that, you know, you have to do this on a certain day. We're here to listen to you and to try to help you. We're cognizant of what you're going through, suffering this tragedy. If you're interested, give us a call. Bernie Tully from the law firm at Tully & Tully at 412-281-8700. We travel all throughout the state of Pennsylvania to visit with you. We'll take any case in Pennsylvania we think has merit and we can help you with. Bernie Tully, Tully & Tully Law Firm, 281-8700, area code 412. Thank you so much.